remark that Supreme Court is working like a super parliament of the country. How do you see that, sir?
I think so far as the judgment of the Supreme Court is concerned, that is their wisdom in interpreting Article 200 and 201. But that's true that there is no time-bound schedule available for the governor or honorable the president to exercise their power. So ordinarily, to my understanding, there should be a request to honorable the governor or honorable the president, if so, to decide the matters as expeditiously possible. And mandating within a timeline which the Constitution does not take care of should have been avoided if possible. And so far as Article 142 is concerned, and that is only to do complete justice between the parties inter se. But giving timelines for disposal of matters pending is not, to my understanding, is a 142 article. Comments are concerned, to my understanding, are very personal. I'm not supposed to say so either way. But to my understanding, we all have to introspect ourselves, because we all are equally responsible and accountable to see that the mandate of Constitution must be upheld and rule of law, on whose shoulders it has been today, must see that in upholding the rule of law, we must discharge our official obligations as being casted by the Constitution. My only request is that, as I said about introspection, if something has remained pending for a long time in the office of the governor, with the Constitution never taken care of, the framers always thought that let the authorities to whom official obligations have been casted upon must discharge their duties expeditiously. And that is what the Article 200 also postulates. If somebody is not discharging his duty, and at that point of time some comments are made, I don't say whether it is justified or not justified, but I'll always say it should have been avoided. And self-introspection, to my understanding, is the best recourse which is expected from everyone to follow.
But sir, how do you see this remark made by the Vice President of holding a high office of the country, calling Supreme Court
that is his personal comments. I don't want to say. Everybody examine the authorities' function in their own way. It is Honorable Vice President has his personal view, which he has put before the public. Let public examine it.
But sir, isn't clearly showing the rift between the government and the judiciary after this remark?
No, I don't think there is any rift. I don't think. And there should not be any rift. Judiciary is discharging its duties. Executive is discharging their own duties. So I don't think there is any rift of any kind.
Thank you so much.